In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video speed controller extension in the Brave browser. If you frequently watch videos online and want more control over playback speed, adding a video speed controller extension to Brave is a great solution. This type of extension allows you to speed up or slow down videos with ease, helping you save time, improve productivity, or better follow content at your preferred pace. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of adding and using a video speed controller extension in Brave. To begin, open the Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser is ready, navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Since Brave is built on Chromium, it supports many of the same extensions available for Chrome, making it easy to enhance your browsing experience with additional tools. After reaching the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar to look for Video Speed Controller. When the search results appear, locate the extension and open its page to view more details. Before adding any extension, it's always a good idea to review its description, ratings, and user feedback so you can better understand its features and functionality. When you're ready, click the button to add the extension to Brave. A confirmation window may appear asking for permission to add the extension and access certain browser features. Review the information displayed on the screen and proceed with the addition process. After a few moments, the extension will be added to your browser automatically. Once the extension has been added successfully, you'll typically see its icon appear near the top right corner of the browser. If the icon is hidden, you can access it through the extensions menu and pin it to the toolbar for quicker access whenever you need it. Take a few moments to explore the extension settings. Many video speed controller extensions allow you to customize shortcut keys, set preferred playback speeds, and fine-tune controls to match your viewing habits. These options can make the extension even more convenient for everyday use. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully added a video speed controller extension to the Brave browser and can now enjoy greater control over how you watch online videos. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.